Well, hello everybody. It's Dhaval. It's about close to about 3 o'clock in the afternoon here in Bogota, Colombia, and I just walked to a local strip mall just now to have a bite to eat. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot of time to explore the city here as I would like to and check out some of the great restaurants and local markets here. I'm just here in transition. But I'm staying over here, right out there at the Hilton Garden Inn. That's the hotel I'm staying at. And I just kind of slept until like 10 or 11 o'clock as I came in, like, well, let me see, I came in at about 5 o'clock in the morning here, and then, you know, going through immigration and customs and all that. And by the time we got to the hotel, it was about 7. But I'm over here, just about very nearby the city center, I guess, or by the city airport. And there's a lot of hustle and bustle here. But I just wanted to kind of give you guys a shot of what I'm looking at. Out there in the distance is the city center, downtown Bogota, and I wish I had time to go down there, but I talked to the front desk at the hotel, and they said with traffic and everything, it's probably not worth it right now because we don't want to miss our flight, and we have to get to the airport about 3 hours early because it's still an international flight. We're flying from Bogota to La Paz, and it's about a 3-hour flight. So but anyway, yeah, the city so far, actually the people here too have been very friendly and very, very helpful, and they're always willing to help out tourists and things like that. It's kind of cool. But yeah, I mean, I really wish I was staying here longer, and so this is going to be on the bucket list for next time for sure. But just one last shot out there of the city center. Center of Bogota is out there. As you can see some of those skyscrapers out in the distance. So I was really surprised too. This city's actually relatively, it seems relatively clean and everything. And you gotta see, as I said, my hotel's like right next to the airport, so we're gonna be going there in a couple hours. I'll be going there in a couple hours, and you know, getting ready here to go to La Paz, Bolivia. So anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying these videos that I'm shooting and some of these pictures. And again, I really wish I was checking out Bogota a little bit more, but I just don't have the time and what have you. So anyway, this is Dhaval signing off here from Bogota, Colombia. I'll check in with you guys later. Thanks again for watching.